A rally in Tamil Nadu, organised by Tamil actor and politician Vijay, ended in tragedy after a stampede left at least 39 dead and more than 51 injured. Thousands had gathered for the meeting, which was part of Vijay's state tour for his party, Tamilaga Vetri Kazhagam.